all of you, please take out your copies, pencils and erasers, because today we are going to write down fill in the blanks as well as few question answers on chapter, yes, our clothes. Okay, so already we have not done any type of writing part till now, because explanation and activity classes and all those type of some worksheets has been completed. But now as we are going to sit for term 1, so we are going to write down some fill in the blanks as well as some question answers. So I am writing on the board, you just note down in your copies. So here comes the answer. We were, yes, lots of answers I received from Srijan, Ashmita, and still Sashmit is writing. Very nice. We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Okay. So let's go for the next question. Fill in the blank. We wear dash to cover our body. So we wear dash to cover our body. What can be the answer? Very good, Srijan. Very good, Simran. Very nice, Ashmita. Very nice, Shama Prabhu. Excellent. Shrestha, C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Okay? Very good. Yes, exactly. And here also, Moyuk, E-S, clothes. It should be pronounced as clothes. Okay, and cloth, C-L-O-T-H. It is also a plural word, but here the exact word is clothes, not cloth. It's cloth, C-L-O-T-H. It itself is a plural word. Okay. So we wear clothes to cover our body. Dash clothes protect us from rain. Dash clothes protect us from rain. So yes, Ashmita, your answer is right. And let me see what is Rudraditya's problem. Okay, Rudraditya, I hope your problem has been solved. Okay? Okay. So all the answers I am getting is exactly perfect answer. So let's write down waterproof. Waterproof clothes protect us from rain. So these are the three fill in the blanks. I hope everyone is writing. Each and everyone is writing. Very good, Rudraditya. Very good, Tathagata. So I am rubbing the first one so that I can write the fourth one, because if I will write over here, you won't be able to see it. So number 4. Dash clothes keep our body cool. So what type of clothes keep our body cool? Shyama Prabhu, what happened? Okay, I hope now the problem has been solved. If you are facing any type of problem, just disconnect the call and join me again. Okay? Okay, very nice. So all the answers are correct, and it's cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. Now I am rubbing the second one. I hope everyone has completed second and third. Still I am not rubbing the third one. If someone is writing, please write down. Dash clothes keep our body warm. What type of clothes keep your body warm? Who will tell me? Yes, Simran has given the first answer, then after Ashmita. Yes, Shrestha, Srijan, everyone has. Rudra Aditya, please rectify the spelling of woolen. And even Shamantak, please rectify the spelling of woolen. It will be double O, double L. Double O, double L. Okay? Very good, Rudra Aditya. Very good, Anurag. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. Now we will go for the question answers part. So I hope everyone has completed number 3. I am rubbing number 3. I am rubbing number 3. Now let's go for the next one. Shall I rub the board, students? Shall I rub the board? Everyone has completed? If you have completed, please respond me yes. If you have completed, please respond me yes. Okay, Simran is completed. Shubham has completed. Ashmita has completed. Very nice. Okay, everyone has completed. So let's go for the question answers. You will learn this fill in the blanks and question answers properly. heading. Answer the questions. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? So the answer will be we wear clothes. So the first part of the answer is in the question. We wear clothes to cover our body and look smart. So clothes helps us to look smart, right? So we wear clothes to cover our body and look smart. So all of you, please write down these question answers properly. Write down these question answers properly. Let us go for the second question. Shall I write over here or shall I move, rub the board and then after write from the top? That will be better. Rudaditya, everyone has been muted. Okay, Orijit has joined us just now. Okay, anyone more? No. Come on. Everyone, please write down. Orijit was there. Orijit. Just now he left. He was there. Orijit. Class Oak sir. ওকেই তো এখানে জয়েন করেছিল বেরিয়ে গেছে পাইনি আছে তাহলে এখানে জয়েন করেছিল জাস্ট নাও হি জয়েন্ট দেন আফটার লেফট ওকে সো লেটস গো ফর সেকেন্ড কোয়েশ্চেন and the second question what type of clothes we should wear? What type of clothes we should wear? Okay, so let us write down the answer. We should wear neat and clean clothes. So your half of the answer is in the question. what type of clothes we should wear. So we will start our answer from we. We should wear. So the exact answer is neat and clean clothes. We should wear neat and clean clothes. Okay, which will make us look smart, which will cover our body. Okay, so next we will go for question number 3. Okay, students, I think today up to question number 2, because it will become pressure for all of you to write down 2 more. So next day we will do 2 more. Okay, I would conclude my class over here, and take care of yourself. Learn this fill in the blanks and both this question answer properly. Thank you. Bye bye.